If you like this video, please click the subscribe button so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. Welcome to the future. Fasten your seatbelts as I will show you in detail what is in store for the world-class Metro Manila subway, which will be completed in 2029, and the North South Commuter Railway, which will be completed in 2028. The North South Commuter Railway will complement the Metro Manila subway for seamless connections to travel from Clark International Airport to the cities of Metro Manila and vice versa. The North South Commuter Railway, or NSCR, also known as Clark-Calamba Railway, is a 147-kilometer elevated railway currently under construction. It is estimated to be in full operation in 2028. It will have a total of 36 stations and will run from New Clark City in Capas Tarlac to Calamba in Laguna. The first part of the North-South Commuter Railway is estimated to be in operation in 2026 and will also feature the first direct airport link in the country, serving the Clark International Airport. Since the Metro Manila subway and the North-South Commuter Railway is still under construction, we will now travel all over Southeast Asia to have an idea of how the Metro Manila subway and the North-South Commuter Railway would look like. The Metro Manila subway and the North-South Commuter Railway will work hand in hand to boost the country's tourism industry. International and domestic tourism demands may increase when modern train systems and high-speed trains are made available. To explain this further, let us put ourselves in the shoes of a foreign tourist coming into the country. The first thing we will do is to book our airline ticket. For example, we found a sale ticket going to Clark International Airport. However, we want to book a hotel in BGC. And so, finally we arrived at the Clark International Airport. After going through immigration and getting our luggage, we go down the train concourse using the escalator or elevator. We are actually inside the Incheon International Airport train station of the Arex Airport Railroad Express of South Korea. We will use this as an example of how the Clark International Airport train station of the North-South Commuter Railway would look like. Upon reaching the train concourse, we walk through a tunnel which connects the Clark International Airport to its train station for the North-South Commuter Railway. As you can see, the Clark International Airport will have a tunnel going to the Clark Airport station of the North-South Commuter Railway. This is a rendition of how this tunnel would possibly look like.
Tayo.
It's more fun than smiling.
Ganda ng effects niya bro.
Kati-kati na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, mag-iwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Molo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Excuse me. Where can we buy RX ticket?
Express one,
Express.
go straight to the end on your right side.
Okay. Thank you.
We finally found the ticket vending machines for our North South Commuter Railway train tickets. There will be many types of trains and train routes, but basically, the North South Commuter Railway will actually have three types of trains, namely the commuter train, the commuter express train, and the limited express train. We will now buy the limited express train at its ticket vending machine. At the Incheon Airport Station in Seoul, South Korea, they simply call it express train, which has only two stations, which are the Incheon Airport Station and the Seoul Station. The limited express train of the North South Commuter Railway serving the Clark Airport Station, however, will have three stops, namely the Clark Airport Station, the Buendia Station, and the Alabang Station. The limited express train will have the least number of stations and skip the most number of stations. Express trains are designed to stop at lesser number of stations so as to arrive at the desired station at the soonest possible time. After selecting the arrival station, which in this example is the Alabang Station, the time of departure, the number of tickets, and paying the amount for the tickets, we receive the tickets and most probably a receipt. The limited express train is a no-standing, all-reserved seat train. That means that each passenger in the limited express train is assigned his own reserved seat number and car number. There will be other ways to buy our tickets, like buying them at the manned ticket counter. After buying our tickets, we proceed to the limited express train platform. Here we can see that there are two types of trains, the all-stop train on the left and the express train on the right. We go towards the right side to ride our limited express train. If it's still too early to board the train, express train passengers can take a rest and use the express lounge for free. We are now at the limited express train departure platform. On the opposite side is the arrival platform of the all-stop commuter train.
The limited express train to Buendia and Alabang stations is now arriving.
In this example, we are assigned seats number 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D on car number 5. So we will ride the train at car number 5.
The platform screen doors, half-height platform screen doors, will be provided for all stations on MCRP, NSRP South, CR. However, at CIA, which is an underground station, full-height PSDs will be provided.
In case you want to cheat the system and want a free ride, you are in the wrong place because this is not possible. Inside the train, an attendant will check whether a seat that is unsold is occupied by a passenger. In case a passenger without a ticket is found, the attendant will sell the ticket using a portable handheld terminal.
The next station is the Alabang station. For your information, the Alabang station is a transfer station of Line 9, which is the Metro Manila subway. The next station is the Alabang station. For your information, the Alabang station is a transfer station of Line 9, which is the Metro Manila subway.
It should be noted that in the NSCR, the CP-NS01 contractor must provide all the platform screen doors, and in the Tutuban area must provide all the E&M systems and track work. So on the NSCR, there will be 3 services in operation. Firstly, we have the Limited Express, which runs from Alabang with limited stops up to CIA. We then have the NSCR commuter service that runs from Calamba all the way to CIA with a spur off at Tutuban. And finally, we have a connection with the Manila Subway project at Bicutan. So trains running on the Manila Subway will join the NSCR alignment at Bicutan, and the service will continue down to Calamba.
Mitsubishi Corporation has awarded CAF, a Spanish company, the subcontract to supply 7 8-car electric multiple units or electric trains for the limited express train services for the North South Commuter Railway. This means that the limited express trains for the North South Commuter Railway which stops at the Clark International Airport Station, Buendia Station, and Alabang stations, will have 8-car train sets, just like the commuter trains, which will also have 8-car train sets. Alstom has been awarded by the Mitsubishi Corporation a contract to provide an integrated railway system for the North South Commuter Railway. Alstom will be responsible for the system integration, signaling and telecommunication, power supply, automated fare collection system, platform screen doors, maintenance systems, and depot equipment, as well as control center and training. It will in particular deploy a European Rail Traffic Management System Level 2 signaling system for the first time in Southeast Asia, using its proven Atlas 200 European Train Control System. After just approximately 1 hour, we arrive at the Alabang Station. From here, we will ride Line 9 of the Metro Manila Subway going to BGC Station. We are now at the Alabang Station, which is a railway station with half-height platform screen doors. There are two types of platform screen doors, namely the full-height platform screen doors, which are used for fully air-conditioned train stations, and the half-height platform screen doors. Platform screen doors are used mainly to prevent passengers from falling into the railroad tracks and being run over by a train. The Singapore MRT was the first rapid transit system in Asia to use platform screen doors in 1987. Additionally, the Singapore MRT is the first and only rail system in the world to use platform screen doors consistently at all stations on the MRT network. The North South Commuter Railway will be the first rail line in the country that will use platform screen doors. After arriving at the Alabang Station of the North South Commuter Railway, we go down using the elevator or escalator to transfer train and ride the Metro Manila Subway line going to BGC Station. Before anything else, we first exit the North South Commuter Railway using the tickets we bought at the Clark Station. After going out of the express train ticket gates, we transfer trains and enter the ticket gates of the commuter train for both the North South Commuter Railway and Line 9, which is the Metro Manila Subway. After entering the ticket gates using our beep card and going up to the train platform, the first thing you will notice is that this station is a very advanced and high-tech station. You will now see, probably for the first time in the Philippines, what they call passenger information display, where you can see exactly at what time each train will arrive at the station. And after that, we ride the train at the platform going towards the East Valenzuela Station and get down at the BGC Station. After getting down from the train, we exit the train platform. We use our beep card to exit the train platform. We are now inside the BGC station, which is relatively a big station. The BGC station, just like other train stations of the Metro Manila Subway, will be fully air conditioned. Since we have a lot of luggage to carry, we use the elevator going out of the train station. We finally reached the train station near our hotel in BGC. From this simulation, we can see that the Metro Manila Subway and the North South Commuter Railway will benefit not only local residents of Metro Manila and its surrounding cities and provinces, but will also benefit local as well as foreign tourists visiting Metro Manila and the rest of the country. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.